Very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss science subject chapter 4, the human machine. In my previous video we have discussed about this chapter many topics. Some are left that discuss in this video. So my topic is the digestive system in human. The digestive system, we need energy to work and play. The more we work and play, the more energy we need. Food gives us energy. Food is of use only when is it broken down to small pieces. This is done by the digestive system. Why food must be broken down? How does the digestive system work? The food we eat consists of large particles compared to the tiny cells that make up our body. In this topic, the digestive system means uh, a group of organs that are mainly responsible for the digestion. Digestion means food particle convert into small substances and converted into nutrient, and that nutrient mix with oxygen and generate energy. This is the diagram of human digestive system. How is our body able to use such big particles of food? Digestion helps in breaking down the food into simpler substances. Digestion helps in breaking down the food into the simpler substances. These substances can then be used by our body. The food that we eat must be chewed properly in the mouth. Firstly, we take in food with the help of our hand in the mouth. It must be chewed properly in the mouth. When we chew our food properly, a digestive juice called saliva digests the food partly. When we chew our food properly, a digestive juice called saliva digests the food partially. This food then passes down the food pipes into the stomach. This food then passes down the food pipe into the stomach. The food is further digested in the stomach. The food then goes into the intestine. In the intestine, the food gets mixed with other digestive juice. This complete digestion. Digestive juice from the liver and pancreas also bring about digestion. The digested food is absorbed and is taken into the bloodstream. The undigested food is removed from the body as solid waste in the form of feces through anus. So students, in this paragraph has given the information digestion of food. Firstly, we take food in our mouth and chewed properly. After this food goes to the stomach by food pipe and mixed with digestive juices and convert into the nutrients absorbed by our body and circulate by blood stream, and the undigested food is removed from the body as solid waste in the form of feces through anus. My next topic is the circulatory system. This system is made up of heart, blood, and the blood vessels. The heart pumps the blood, and this blood is carried by the blood vessels to the various parts of the body. This system is made up of the heart, blood, and blood vessels. The heart pumps the blood, and this blood is carried out by the blood vessels to the various parts of the body. The organ of the air and the digested food is carried by the blood to all the cells of our body. The oxygen of the air and the digested food is carried by the blood to all the cells of our body. Circulatory system consists of mainly three organs: heart, blood, and blood vessels. The main function of heart is pumping the blood, and this blood carried by the blood vessel to the various part of the body. And the oxygen of the air and digested food is carried by the blood to the all the cells of our body. When digested food means nutrient mixed with the oxygen generate energy for the process of respiration. This is the diagram of our heart, and another feeling the pulse. The heart is situated in the chest, well protected by the rib cage. If you keep your ear on your friend's chest, you can hear the heartbeat. Ask your friend to run or jump and then hear his heartbeat. You will find that his heart beats faster. This is because we find need more energy when we do more work. Ask your friend to run or jump, then hear his heartbeat. Then you will find that his heart beats faster because we need more energy when we do more work. The heart has to pump blood faster to supply more oxygen and food to the body. You can feel the heartbeat at some other spots of our body. One such spot is the wrist. Place two fingers of one hand on the wrist of your another hand. Move your finger till you get the correct spot. What can you feel? A beat. This is called the pulse. Students, you have seen many times when uh, you go to the hospitals checked by the doctor in your wrist. After this, they can identify the heartbeat, what is going. Next topic is kidney. The kidney, excess water mixes with other waste material and is removed from our body by the kidney in the form of urine. We should drink plenty of water to flush our kidneys and keep us healthy. Kidney is very important organ in our body, and kidney is mainly responsible for the purifying blood. Means waste material also mixed with blood in our body and by the kidney separate the blood and waste material. So excess water mixes with other waste material and is removed from our body by the kidneys in the form of urine. We should drink plenty of water to flush our kidneys and keep us healthy. Next topic is the nervous system. The brain and nerves control all the functions of the body. Nerves like thin wire that connects the whole body with the brain. The brain and the nerves control all the function of the body. Nerves are like thin wires that connect the whole body with the brain. Anything that our body anything that our body does is controlled by the brain. Anything that our body does it controlled by the brain. We must look after our body to keep fit and healthy. This is the diagram of brain. You can see in this diagram has given a special labeled like as the special center, speech center, hearing center, sight center, receive body sensation, movement of body parts, how we controlled which part that are given in this diagram. Okay students, thank you for watching my video. At the end, please like, share and subscribe this.